Welcome to today's video. In this session we will be seeing how to install Chrome browser in macOS. Okay. So first we will go to Safari. In Safari you can go to google.co.in. Okay. So in that you can type Chrome browser for Mac. Okay. You will be getting a link like this. Click on that. So here it will be showing like it is for Mac OS 10.15 or later. Okay. So currently I am using Currently I am using 13.5, that is Ventura. Okay, so this is applicable, so I will be clicking on download Chrome for installation. Okay, on clicking that you will be getting a message like this. You can click on allow. On clicking allow you will be seeing in the top it is getting downloaded. Okay, the format will be .dmg. Now they have given a clear instruction like after this download you can move that to applications. Here you can see this image. Now we have downloaded and the format is .dmg. Okay, the next step is they mention like drag and drop Chrome to applications. Okay, so you need admin login for this. So I go to downloads, it is there. On double clicking it will be asking me to move the Chrome to the applications. I am clicking on Google Chrome and dragging into the applications. Okay, in username you can type your admin username. Okay, and in password field you can type your admin password. After that you can click OK. Now it is copying to the applications. Okay, after that you will be getting the Google Chrome in applications list. So I'm closing this window. Okay, so go to applications, make full screen. Okay, so here you can see Google Chrome. Okay, so it is already installed here and it is around 560 MB. Okay, so we will go to the Safari. So we have done the second step and the third step is to launch. Okay, we have already copied the things to application. Now you can open through here. If you double click from application on also it will be working, or else you can press command spacebar. Okay, so now you type Chrome, Google Chrome. Okay, if you type Chrome you will be getting a first option like Google Chrome. Click on the first option. So on doing that it will be asking like, is an app downloaded from internet, are you sure you want to open it? Okay, so click on open. Okay, so now it is asking like whether Google Chrome needs to be set as a default browser. For now I don't want it, so I will disable this also. Okay, start Google Chrome. So now the Chrome version is installed. Usually in Mac it will not be defaultly installed, only we will be having the Safari version that is defaultly installed. So you can find the version by clicking on this dotted lines, and after that you will be getting an option like help. Click on help, about Google Chrome. It will be showing which version we are currently installed with. Okay, so it is 117. So now you can search google.co.in you are getting the page. So it is successfully installed in the Mac machine. Okay, that's all I have for this video. We will meet in another new video with new content. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.